Hello viewers, today is the milestone for my channel because I have renamed it by my name. The previous name of this channel was rakibhafiz, and let's start our today's tutorial. I have come up with a very easy tutorial today. On this tutorial I will show you how to add realistic hair on any photo. So here I have taken this photo to add some realistic hair on this area and on this area. Therefore I am going to take a new blank layer to apply the realistic hair. So I am taking a new blank layer from here, and now I am going to take the brush tool and I am going to take the brush of name by hairbrush. You can download this hairbrush from the link given on my description. Just take this brush and give the size around 3 pixels. So here I have taken 3 pixels and give the opacity around 100%, and flow will be 100% also, and smoothing will be 0%. For the first, I will apply this realistic hair on this area. Therefore I need to take the color sample of this hair. Therefore just press the Alt button and click on this area so that the Photoshop will take this color from here. Now brush on this area. So let's check what was before and what is now. This was before and this is now. Isn't it realistic? Okay, we can make it more realistic by changing the blending mode to screen. Have a look. And we can blend it more perfectly by reducing the opacity around 70%. Here I am giving 72%. I think it looks okay. Now I'm going to add some here on this area. Therefore I'm going to take the color samples from here by pressing Alt and click on here. Now just brushing here. I'm going to add more hair from this area. Therefore just press the Alt button to pick the color. I'm picking the color from here and just brushing on this area. So have a look. This was before and this is now. You can change the blending mode to normal to see what was. I think normal is more okay than screen. So this was before and this is now. So this is actually the process how to add realistic light on any photo. Hope you have learned this system, so now you can apply it any of your photo. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to swing your creative.